In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DaVinci Resolve Fusion. This powerful tool allows you to create stunning visual effects and animations within your video projects. Let's dive straight into the first step, which is opening Fusion. To start, open your project in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure it's the project where you want to apply your effects. Once you have your project open, look at the timeline and select a clip that you want to edit. This is crucial because the selected clip will be the foundation for your work in Fusion. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see several options. Click on the Fusion page. This action takes you into the Fusion workspace where you can create and manipulate effects for your chosen clip. Once you're in Fusion, you will see a new interface designed specifically for compositing and visual effects work. Next, let's understand the nodes you'll be working with. When you first enter the Fusion page, you'll notice two default nodes appear on the screen. The first is called MediaIn, which represents your video clip. This node is the starting point for any effects you want to apply. The second node is MediaOut, which represents the final output of your work. Everything you add and manipulate will sit between these two nodes. This is important because it defines the flow of your effects. Understanding how these nodes interact will save you time and help you create more complex compositions later on. Now that you have a grasp of the nodes, let's add an effect to your clip. To do this, press Shift and Space at the same time. This shortcut opens a search window where you can find various effects available in Fusion. You can search for something simple like blur, or go for more complex effects like transform or text plus. Once you find the effect you want, click on it and then click on Add. This step integrates the effect into your Fusion flow, connecting it between MediaIn and MediaOut. Remember, adding effects is a crucial part of the creative process, so take your time to explore and choose what fits your project best. After adding the effect, it's time to edit it to fit your vision. First, select the new node that represents the effect you just added. This action is essential because it allows you to manipulate the specific settings of that effect. Look at the top right corner of the screen where the inspector window is located. Here, you can adjust various settings related to your effect. Whether it's changing the intensity of a blur or the position of a text, the inspector gives you the controls needed to fine-tune your effect to perfection. This step is important because it helps to ensure that your creative ideas are realized exactly how you envision them. With those steps completed, you are on your way to mastering Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. The combination of understanding nodes, effortlessly adding effects, and editing them gives you a robust foundation for creating stunning visuals. Take your time to practice these steps and explore the endless possibilities Fusion offers. With patience and creativity, you'll be able to elevate your video projects to new heights. Thank you for following along, and happy editing.